Welcome to Bali, the island of magic and beauty. This tropical paradise, known as the Island of the Gods, offers an unforgettable escape filled with breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation. In this video, we'll take you on a detailed journey to explore everything that makes Bali one of the most cherished travel destinations in the world. From iconic temples perched on cliffs to golden beaches that stretch endlessly under the sun, Bali promises an experience like no other. Imagine standing at Tanah Lot, a stunning temple that rises from the waves as the sun sets, painting the sky in brilliant shades of orange, or walking through the lush Tegallalang Rice Terraces, where the harmony between human craftsmanship and nature creates a scene that feels like a living postcard. And don't miss the waterfalls like Tegallalang, where crystal clear waters cascade into lush, tropical pools. Discover the serene Ubud Monkey Forest, where playful monkeys roam freely in a sacred ancient grove. Whether you're soaking in the sun on Kuta Beach, diving into the crystal waters of Nusa Dua, or exploring the hidden gems of Uluwatu, Bali's diverse landscapes and experiences are truly one of a kind. Traveling to Bali is surprisingly affordable, making it an ideal destination for all budgets. Flights to Ngurah Rai International Airport are competitively priced, especially if you book early. Once you arrive, accommodations cater to every preference. From luxurious resorts overlooking the ocean to cozy private villas with personal pools, and even budget-friendly hostels for backpackers. Dining is equally delightful and inexpensive, with delicious local dishes like Nasi Goreng and Goreng available at just a few dollars per meal. It's a destination that allows you to experience world-class luxury without breaking the bank. The island enjoys a tropical climate with warm temperatures that make it a perfect getaway, no matter the season. The dry season from May to September is ideal for beach days, hiking through the jungle, or attending one of Bali's many cultural festivals. Even during the rainy season, from October to April, the rain showers are often brief, leaving behind a refreshed green paradise that's just as inviting. One of the most rewarding aspects of visiting Bali is the chance to immerse yourself in its vibrant local culture. Bali's unique blend of Hindu traditions sets it apart from the rest of Indonesia. The island's spiritual heart is evident in its colorful ceremonies, intricate offerings, and the mesmerizing traditional dances like the kikak fire dance. Visitors can even take part in local cooking classes, learning to prepare authentic Balinese dishes that are as flavorful as they are memorable. Tourists who visit Bali often describe it as a destination that surpasses all expectations. Reviews consistently highlight the warm hospitality of the locals, the stunning natural beauty, and the island's ability to offer something for everyone. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a mix of both, while Bali is widely regarded as safe for travelers, it's always a good idea to be mindful of crowded tourist areas and secure your belongings. The island is dotted with ancient temples, each with its own story and significance. Exploring places like the Ubud Temple, perched dramatically on a cliff overlooking the sea, or the Tegallalang Water Temple, where visitors can take part in traditional purification rituals. Reaching Bali is simple, thanks to its well-connected international airport, which serves direct flights from many major cities worldwide. Once on the island, getting around is equally convenient, with options ranging from private car rentals to affordable scooter hires or guided tours that take you to Bali's most iconic sites. Perhaps one of the island's greatest charms is the warmth and friendliness of its people. Balinese locals are renowned for their genuine smiles and their eagerness to share their culture with visitors. Whether you're engaging in a conversation with a market vendor or being welcomed into a family-run guest house. For thrill seekers, Bali offers endless activities and adventures. Ride the legendary waves at Bali's top surfing spots, dive into the vibrant coral reefs of Ubud, or hike to the summit of Mount Batur to catch the sunrise from above the clouds. For those seeking relaxation, there are world-class spas, serene yoga retreats in Ubud, and tranquil beaches where you can unwind to the sound of gentle waves. With so much to see and do, it's worth planning at least a week to fully explore Bali's treasures. However, even a short trip of 3 or 4 days can leave you enchanted and longing to return. In terms of health and hygiene, Bali has made significant strides in ensuring the safety and comfort of its visitors. Bottled water is readily available, and modern medical facilities are accessible in popular areas. With basic precautions, you can enjoy your stay worry-free. Before traveling, it's essential to check the latest travel requirements. Bali is generally welcoming to tourists, with visa on arrival options for many nationalities. But it's always wise to stay updated on any new guidelines or health measures. And now, here's a fun fact about Bali to wrap up the video. Did you know that Bali is home to a unique tradition called Nyepi, or the Day of Silence? On this day, the entire island comes to a complete stop. No flights, no cars, and even the internet shuts down. It's a day for reflection and spiritual renewal that shows just how deeply rooted Bali's culture is in its values. If you enjoyed this journey through Bali, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel guides, and share your thoughts in the comments. What's the first thing you'd love to experience in Bali?